What's up, Auto Body Nation? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com with a quick question from Robert. Whoa, 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 whoa. So Robert says, I used a fiber disc to get rid of some surface rust on my project. It left some minute scratches in the metal. Could I use an epoxy primer to fill in those scratches, or do I have to use a finer fiber disc to remove scratches before a primer? So, hey, when doing body work, you're going to get grind marks in metal all the time. Okay, you don't have to go crazy and sand it out. Filler primer will fill it up. Okay, if you have a super huge large area, I would use an epoxy primer. But if it's just a small area, like you're doing a bodywork repair, you have to take out a dent or you have to grind down to metal in a certain little area, then just laying some filler primer on it will be okay, right? So if just go to learnautobodyandpaint.com, and all I did was hit the search bar here, and I just typed in grinding. Okay, grinding over metal. We have literally hundreds of posts. Here's one I did in 2016. It's old, but it's still relevant today. It will always be relevant. Okay, so this is a video. I'm gonna actually put the link below in the YouTube link down here, so you can actually check this post out and watch this YouTube video. Okay, it's basically me grinding down and pulling out a dent. Okay, and also how to finish the whole process. Okay, so I don't know what grit you ground it down with, but I mean, if you did with 80, you could probably just feather it down to like a 150 if you want, and then put some primer on it. That's all you got to do. Then block it out. Make sure it's flat, because the primer basically fills all of that, and then you block it out. If you need to put some glaze in certain areas or just put more heavier primer on it, then just do that. But primer will take care of it. Okay. So hopefully that answers your questions. Very basic question here with no images or anything. This is why I tell everybody, if you're going to submit a question, submit a 1-minute video or some pictures to where I can help you even further. But I just didn't want to leave some of these text ones alone. I just wanted to reply back. Anyway, it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Click the top right of this video here to get a free 85-page auto body and paint guide. If you click right over here to top right, you can go to Learn Auto Body. You can download a free booklet to help you with your auto body projects. Or if you're watching a video on a desktop, click the link down below here to check out this post, as well as a link to get your free auto body book. It's Tony here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, let me know what you do in the situation if you're out there and you're doing body work like me. So anyway, talk soon. Have a good day.